how to manage the debilitated planets in your horoscope. Yes guys, so you are a person who is born with say 1, 2, 3, 4 debilitated planets in your horoscope, and to whichever astrologer you have shown your horoscope, they have told you that you have so many debilitated planets, and because of that you will land in trouble whenever you will run the dasha, mahadasha, antardasha, pratyantardasha, or different layers of dasha of the debilitated planets in your chart. Now you have asked for the solution to the astrologer, sir, what should I do to manage these debilitated planets? And the astrologer has told you that every day you have to do the mantra of a debilitated planet, or you have to do specific remedies or donation of debilitated planet, or wear the gemstones of debilitated planet. So there are so many confusing remedies which are given by different people according to their own personal experiences. And at the end of the day, we realize that we are living in Kali Yuga, and in Kali Yuga people lack time, because Kali Yuga everything is supposed to be done quick. You don't have a long lifespan. Within this short lifespan, say averaging to 75 to 80 years, you have to do your education, you have to do work, you have to achieve career status, you have to marry, reproduce, have children, and so many targets. But if marriage is not a criteria, then you have to do your business, or you have to become famous, a celebrity. So there are so many specific targets given to us. So in this video, I am about to reveal to you the easiest technique, the quickest technique, and the remedy which can be done in the shortest and the most efficient manner to manage the debilitated planets in your horoscope. So if you want to know about the secret of managing your debilitated planets, that is not 1, not 2, not 3, say 4 debilitated planets in your horoscope, then first you have to subscribe to Purab's Astrology, guys, because only if you subscribe to Purab's Astrology you will get access to such different content. After watching this video till the end, if you like this video, then hit the like button. If you dislike this video, hit the dislike button, but show me your genuine reaction. So hey guys, what's up? I hope you guys are doing great, and I welcome you back to Purab's Astrology. Let's get into this secret of managing your debilitated planets in horoscope in a very short duration of time. So cutting all the crap, coming straight to the point, how to do this? It's very simple, guys. There is something called Hora system in astrology, right? Hora system decides which particular day will be ruled by which particular planet. So on Sundays, the first Hora is assigned to the planet Sun. So between 5:30 to 6:30, the Hora changes every location wise, but average between 5:30 to 6:30, the first hour of every day after sunrise is assigned to a particular planet. So in the case of Sunday, Ravivar, it is assigned to the Sun. In the case of Monday, Somvar, it is assigned to the Moon. In the case of Tuesday, Mangalvar, it is assigned to Mars. In the case of Wednesday, it is Budhvar, and it is assigned to the planet Mercury. In the case of Thursday, it is Guruvar, and it is assigned to the planet Jupiter. And Friday is Shukravar, it is assigned to the planet Venus. And Saturday is Shanivar, it is assigned to the planet Saturn. So every week on particular days, specific days, one particular planet is more prominent and carrying more energy. On Sunday morning, the first hour, Sun has its highest potential. So during that time, you can utilize the energy of the planet Sun. Similarly, for example, on Wednesday, the first hour after sunrise, Mercury has the highest potential. So you can utilize the energy of Mercury during that time. Now, instead of doing mantra remedy for a particular debilitated planets every day without knowing which is the right time to do it, why don't you open a Hora calculator software? You can download and install it in your mobile, or you can go to any website which tells the current Hora. Okay. So for example, you have a debilitated Sun. Instead of waking up every day early morning and doing your puja and chanting the mantra of sun without knowing in which particular hora itself you are accessing the power of sun. So on Saturday morning during Saturn hora you are doing sun's mantra, and because of that it is creating more havoc in your life instead of giving strength to the debilitated planet. Similarly, on Friday during the first hour Shukra hora you are actually chanting the mantra of Jupiter and you are creating havoc in your life. So set aside all the schedule and routine of chanting the mantras of debilitated planet every day morning. Try this technique which I am giving you. The technique is that take a diary and make note that on Sunday when is sun hora. So morning you get a sun hora, afternoon you get a sun hora, and night time you get a sun hora. So what you need to do is you need to find out on Sunday when sun's hora is. It can be morning, it can be afternoon, right? Evening also you get a sun hora, but morning and afternoon is more convenient. And if you have a debilitated sun in your horoscope, you will chant the mantra of the planet sun on Sunday during the sun hora only once a week. That is more than enough to activate sun in your chart. So for example, you are a person with a debilitated sun. The astrologer has advised you to chant the mantra of sun every day, cut every day, weekly once. During the hora of the planet sun, you can chant the mantra of sun. For example, Om Hram Hrim Hraum Sah Suryaya Namah. Om Hram Hrim Hraum Sah Suryaya Namah. So when you are tapping the potential of sun and when you are accessing the energy of the mantra during the hora of sun on Sunday itself, you are creating and absorbing so much of energy of the sun that you don't need to chant the mantra of sun every day in different days and in different hora. For example, you are accidentally chanting the mantra of sun during Venus hora, and which is causing more damage instead of contributing in your life. Similarly, if you have a debilitated Mars, okay, on Tuesday, once a week, choose the hora of a Mars. It can be the morning hora, it can be the afternoon hora. During that 1 hour, chant the mantra of Mars 108 times. Om Dharani Garbha Sambhutam Vidyut Kanti Samaprabham Kumaram Shakti Hastam Cha Mangalam Pranamamyaham. Om Dharani Garbha Sambhutam Vidyut Kanti Samaprabham Kumaram Shakti Hastam Cha Mangalam Pranamamyaham. Or any simple mantra of Mars, Om Krim Kujaya Namah, Om Shri Mangalaya Namah, any mantra 108 times once a week only during the hora of the planet Mars. Now your debilitated Mars will actually start gaining power and you will actually see miraculous changes in your life. In the same manner, if you have a debilitated Venus in your horoscope, on Friday during evening, because Venus has more power during evening time, you can choose Venus hora on Friday evening and you can chant the mantra of the planet Venus 108 times only during the hora of Venus on Friday for just 1 hour, and it will be enough to cover up the entire week. So you can chant Himakunda Mrinalabham Daityanam Paramam Gurum Sarva Shastra Pravaktaram Bhargavam Pranamamyaham. Or you can chant Om Dram Drim Draum Sah Shukraya Namah. Or you can chant Om Klim Shum Shukraya Namah. So any of the one mantra you can chant 108 times, specifically on Friday, specifically during Venus hora, and you will create so much energy of Venus that it is enough to compensate for the entire week. So for Jupiter, the same technique is applicable. During the hora of Jupiter on Thursday, either morning or afternoon, you can chant any of the mantra of the planet Jupiter. Om Devanam cha Rishinam cha Gurum Kanchana Sannibham Buddhibhutam Trilokesham Tam Namami Brihaspati. Om Devanam cha Rishinam cha Gurum Kanchana Sannibham Buddhibhutam Trilokesham Tam Namami Brihaspatim. Or you can simply chant Om Gram Grim Graum Sah Gurave Namah 108 times. Or you can chant Om Shri Gurave Namah 108 times, and you will actually give so much power to the debilitated planet that it will actually heal and start giving you results. So no daily headache, no trouble of daily chanting the mantra of the debilitated planet. Just see which day is falling, and if you have a debilitated planet of that particular day, for example, it is Wednesday, so the planet Mercury is assigned Wednesday, Budhvar, and during the morning time, the 1 hour hora of Mercury, or the afternoon time 1 hour hora of Mercury, chant the mantra of the planet Mercury, Om Bam Budhaya Namah, 108 times. You will activate the debilitated Mercury, you will give power to the debilitated Mercury, you will save time, you will save efforts, and you will get guaranteed results, guys. So this is the ultimate technique which I am revealing to you people, because in today's day and age, we all are professionals working somewhere, and doing these remedies become problematic, and we don't know the right way to do the remedies. That is why we don't get results, and then we start cursing the person who has given us the remedy or our own destiny. Don't curse anybody, don't curse your destiny. Subscribe to Purab's Astrology, and I will come up with more such life-changing techniques. I love you all, guys. Try this technique and give your comments and share your experiences. This is Purab signing off from Purab's Astrology. I love you all again. Adios. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.